Hi everybody, welcome to the Achievers Club of Kewal Kishan. And today we have an amazing achiever with us, Mr. Avanish Agrawal. Avanish is the owner of Jagdamba Pearls and he is into retail and e-commerce industry past many years. When it comes to the jewelry as a segment, he's selling the jewelry via retail segment as well as via e-commerce as well. So welcome Avanish.
Thank you, Kewal. Thank you for inviting us.
So Avnish has been part of our MBA program, Master of Business Automation. And before joining us, he was facing some challenges. And now using the technology learnings, he has taken the business and the way he used to manage the business to the next level. And in this interview, we're going to discover on how he thinks and how he was able to utilize the learnings of the program and how he was able to take things to the next level. So Avnish, please introduce yourself.
Thank you, Kewal. So as just you told about myself, I am Avanish Agarwal, based from Hyderabad, born and brought up in Hyderabad. Our family business is into jewelry by the name Jagdamba Pearls and Gold. I'm the fourth generation currently managing the jewelry business. Predominantly, we have been into retail business, but almost since 15 to 18 years, we also got into e-commerce, and we have been selling jewelry since almost 18, 19 years online. So now our retail and online together go hand in hand, and whereby as the current trend, we foresee an omni-channel to be a larger chunk of business coming forward. So I think, and also I'm a very pro-tech guy. So with your course, it has helped me a lot to solve a lot of issues which seem to be challenging, but with the tools that you have provided, it becomes very easy and more self-to-do tools were provided. So that's I think pretty hands-on for everybody.
So can you tell which all cities are you based out of right now?
So currently our retail stores are present only in Hyderabad. But with e-commerce we serve across India. We have got customers from Agartala to the western part to even Kanyakumari. Have got customers, and we are serving them across the country right now.
Wow. So you are now not only selling by retail, but you are utilizing the power of digital platform like selling on e-commerce as well.
Yeah, sold to close to about over 1 lakh customers in the last 15 odd years now. And on average, we serve close to about 400 customers every day.
Oh, that's really a big number, and kudos to you that you're able to take the business to this level. But I would like to know, how did you get to know about us?
So you had done one webinar for Roundtable.
Okay.
And I'm an active member of Roundtable Hyderabad. And that's where I'm very, very actively involved. That's where I did the first initial webinar there, and then that's where I got into your MBA program.
Great. And how has been the entire journey?
Oh, it's been fabulous. I mean, as I just told you, I'm a pro tech guy, right? So anything that comes to technology, I would love to get into it. I was always using Excel sheet, but after using Google Sheets, it's changed the entire ballgame altogether. Great. The power that Google Sheets have is phenomenal, and that's where I have explored a lot of things, developed a lot of stuff using Google Sheets, Google Data Studio to learn.
We are going to come to all of that. So I would like to start with asking you on what are the biggest challenges that you were facing as a retailer, as a person who is selling the jewelry products on e-commerce as well as retail stores. So as a business owner, what were the challenges that you're facing? If you can just take us to step by step, one by one challenge. So what was the first challenge that you were facing in your entrepreneurship career?
So jewelry is slightly more technical industry, right? So what in a retail, we have got people who've been there for a very long time, understand jewelry in and out and with detail. But when it comes to e-commerce, the segment of people there are more towards technology, they're more towards the e-commerce segment, but don't have the product knowledge. So the biggest challenge we always face that whenever we launch any new products, because we have to launch every month, every week new products, to create a catalog for those products with the description of product became the challenging. Now, the retail store team was not well equipped with the e-commerce sector, and the e-commerce was equipped with the store or the product category. So we had to always have an issue, and due to which there was a lot of time lag in introducing new products to the market. Therefore, we always getting very slow. But now with one of your Google Sheet stuff, I've created a format where things have become very seamless. So now we go to every week we are able to launch designs at our platform seamlessly.
Great. Can you showcase?
Sure. If I can share my screen to showcase to you.
Sure. Yeah, you can share.
Okay, this is the one. So if you can see on my screen, so we created a Google Sheet for different category of products. Like this is a diamond category product stuff. So now here we have set up. We have a inventory team at our retail stores. So whenever a new design comes at the inventory team, those guys enter the there's a sequence created for the SKU that's uploaded. The image is uploaded on our web server, which is being called over here through the URL. So we update the image comes over here. And then here, this is a dynamic drop down through script. I have studied some scripts on the net, and I wrote a script whereby if you select the material over here, for example, diamond item related, right now, that thing comes over. I'll just show you an example. If I just delete this, and if I delete this, now if you just select an option over here, diamond, the option next to with diamond, whatever thing should come as a drop down will come in this next column. Now you can earrings over here. If this is a bracelet, so you choose bracelet over here.
So you have created a dynamic drop down.
Yeah. So now with bracelet, what are the product types that will come over here? This is basically based on my format of my listing on my Amazon or Flipkart, whatever format that they have, and on my own website. Based on that format, I've created a dynamic drop down list, whereby it becomes easy for my team to create a catalog rather than keep on finding array base category kya hai, what's the product type. So when you choose over here a bracelet, what are the different types of designs that can be in bracelet? So for this is a flexible bracelet, which my backend team knows. So they will create whether it's designer, religious, whether it's a gemstone, whether it's simple design, whether whatever design is there. So they will choose that stuff over here. Amazing. And what is the closure type of the particular product, which we showcase on the website.
Great.
So this becomes a very seamless stuff.
You have created this automated product master for your jewelry, and how much time it is now saving to you and your teammates.
So now previously what used to happen is that we used to collect all the designs together for about 10 days time. And then it would take about week, 10 days to create a catalog for that, because my e-commerce team had to take input from my store team, and the store team used to take their own time to give them the input. So to launch even 50 designs, it should take about 30 to 45 days. Every week we launch about 20 designs, because whatever new stuff comes in our retail store has to get entered over here and then go to the retail store. Moment get entered over here, now this sheet is linked to an upload sheet of my e-commerce.
Okay.
Whatever gets entered over here, it dynamically gets added to my upload sheet in my e-commerce as per that format.
Sure.
And they just download that and just upload that.
Sure. So now, how much time does it take?
So every week we upload new products now. So there is no timeline in this. I mean, every day we get new designs. Every day this sheet gets updated, and every day, once a day in a week, my team uploads them on the website.
So now there is no delay in the process, you're saying. Great, amazing. So before this, everything was manual. Now you're managing everything in this particular master sheet.
Yeah, and it becomes very easy for anybody to upload that, because once retail, even my sales staff can do it, because he knows what kind of design is it. He has to just choose the option in this, and the work gets done.
Great, amazing to see. So it looks like the first pain point that you said that you were having in the business was managing all the products and the SKUs and the design and the photos. Now it's completely sorted, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so just can you tell us about any next challenges that you are facing in your business?
So the second challenge that I was facing was obviously in the last 1.5 years, we have seen that after pandemic, social media has become a very prominently used channel. So we have started getting a lot of leads and queries on social media. That's from Facebook and Instagram, people asking for the product and queries.
Sure.
Now, we had a challenge to, when we pass these queries to our sales team, there was no tool to track whether they are following the customer, whether they are answering the customer, and what is the response that we are getting from there.
So there was no CRM system there.
No, I tried hands-on a lot of CRMs, but not very. But with this tool of yours, which was more on Google Sheets and could be set up easily, that gave a lot of ease for me to track my customers, to track the leads, and also see which sales staff or which team member is performing better. And I have, within the last 1 year, I have converted my retail sales staff to my digital sales staff. So now they get these leads, and they, sitting in the store, are able to chat with customers over WhatsApp and try to convert them and then update them on the sheets.
So can you show it if you have it?
I can show you should I show you the dashboard that I created for the?
Yeah. So if you can show a report on how you are able to analyze on what is the status of each and every query and
Okay.
how your funnel looks like.
Sure.
Okay, so you're using properly Data Studio.
Yeah, completely. I've done a lot of stuff over there.
So has it made your life easy?
Also, I mean, I'm telling you, I'm spending more of my time now creating this kind of dashboards again and again, updating them, creating new stuff.
Awesome.
Can you see the screen one?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
So this is the one that we created with CRM now. So there is it talks about the lead stage stuff and the lead trends. This is a business close till date. There is I think some technical issue happening right now. I have to check why this thing's coming down over here. Because I just changed my sheet about a couple of days back.
No worries. So at the top you have the drop downs like status, city,
yeah.
stores.
So here I have my salesperson's name. So
okay.
These are all my salesperson who has the number of lead been assigned to them. So based on them, I keep on tracking how the performance is.
So if you choose one of them, if you choose Deepak. Okay, so it is dynamically changing as well on how much business Deepak has now has generated for your business. Great, kudos. So now how do you feel that after now all inquiries are actually getting sorted, you're able to track it, and how does your team feel like right now?
So now with your the new course of linking with WhatsApp has been another game changer. Now my team gets an easy instant update on their WhatsApp over the new lead assigned to them. I also did a small edit in the script by changing the text in the WhatsApp that goes to my sales team, which they immediately get the design also what the customer looking for, so they don't need to get anything else. And plus also I've created another tool which has my entire repository mentioned. So the staff just needs to go there, enter the code number, and get the entire data from there, pass it to customer. So they don't need to search कि भाई इसका design का detail कहाँ है, क्या cost का है. That also is made easy for them now.
Amazing. So how do they feel right now?
So now their work is to just convert customers, so they don't need to worry about anything else. They don't need to worry about customers. Customers being given to them, data is given to them. They have to just convert them now.
So अगर मैं भी बोलूं कि दो टाइप की एक्टिविटीज होती हैं, एक होती है जो मैनेजमेंट वाली, एक होती है जो ग्रोथ ओरिएंटेड वाली. सो अभी ना खुद आप, नॉट ओनली योर एम्प्लॉयज आर आल्सो फोकसिंग ऑन ग्रोथ ओरिएंटेड एक्टिविटीज, बिकॉज आई सी दैट जो उनके डे टू डे मैनेजरियल एक्टिविटीज हैं वो तो आपने सॉर्ट आउट कर दी. Right. And how about you? How has been your communication with your teammate now?
So now we are doing. Initially we used to have no meetings at all. मतलब mood हुआ तो meeting लगा लिया. आज मेरा mood खराब है तो मेरा भाई कुछ काम नहीं हो रहा. Business is not there, चलो meeting करना है. But now we have a structured every weekly meeting we have with my store team, which where I mean I've created a dashboard of my. जो मेरे को third problem था कि there is no proper reporting structure, so I've created a dashboard with about 15 different pages of my store reports performance, which we discuss every week कि भाई पहले कैसा था, अभी कैसा, आगे कैसा होना है. So that's
क्या challenge था? आपको report नहीं मिल पाती थी पहले?
तो मेरे पास I have lot of software with me. It's not that, but there is this software data was not properly there in one single structure to analyze and give you कि भाई क्या actual हो रहा है. मेरा रिटेल का सेपरेट ईआरपी है, मेरा ई-कॉमर्स सेपरेट ईआरपी है, बट ईआरपी तो विल गिव मी लॉट ऑफ सेल्स डेटा, लॉट इनपुट. उसको स्टडी कैसे करें, उसको मैं कैसे सही एक स्ट्रक्चर में लेकर जिसमें मेरा स्टाफ भी उसको समझ सके, अरे बॉस हाँ ये एक्चुअली गलत हो रहा है या ये सही हो रहा है, या वी थिंक वी आर डूइंग गुड, एक्चुअली वी माइट नॉट बी डूइंग गुड. और सो आई डिड दैट ऑन द डैशबोर्ड. And so now we get to know actually कि भाई हम जो सोच रहे थे actually उससे काफी different is what the customer's behavior is.
Yeah, great. So can you show us few of the reports जो आपने बनाई हो? And ये सारी reports आपने Google Data Studio पे बनाई हैं?
सारे if you see all my reports are on Data Studio. You have got everything that is my store का sales report, online का my review. Whenever customer asks for a new product, I created a Google form given to all my sales team. They just upload the item design over there. And you get to know कि कौन से स्टोर से किस टाइप का डिजाइन का रिक्वायरमेंट आ रहा है. I've linked my Google Analytics to dashboard to keep on checking my websites का analytics data over here. This is my stock का aging report of this current year and the last year also is a separate one. So if you see just this store का sales report, that will give you a lot of input on that. So if you
Wow.
have got comparison of this year to the last year to the year previous, that also.
Amazing. It looks, at the initial look, it looks really colorful and really great. Let I think data be load हो रहा है.
So there's a lot of data into, I mean, close to about 30,000 rows है इसके अंदर.
अच्छा. Amazing. So monthly आपको sales का month wise data आपको report आ रही है यहाँ पे.
इसमें काफी सारे 15 पेजेस है, मंथ वाइज भी है, इसमें एम्प्लॉय वाइज, कैटेगरी वाइज.
टॉप पे जो दिख रहा है पेज 1 टू पेज 15.
ये हाँ, ये अलग अलग पेजेस है, पेज 1 पेज 2 15 पेजेस है इसके अंदर हम स्टडी करते हैं.
तो 15 कौन कौन सी रिपोर्ट्स हैं, अगर आप एक थोड़ा ओवरव्यू देंगे.
इसमें स्टॉक एजिंग का है, कैटेगरी वाइज है, एरिया मतलब हम कस्टमर का कौन से कंपनी से आता है वो भी रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. तो स्टडी करते हुए हमें माइक्रोसॉफ्ट से कितने एम्प्लॉय कस्टमर है, तो वो एक अलग सेल रिपोर्ट रहता है. देन कितना स्टॉक, इन्वेंट्री वर्सेस सेल. सो आई वांट टू नो कि इफ द इन्वेंट्री ऑफ कितना, तो हमारा सेल कितना हो रहा था मंथ वाइज, तो उसको कैसे चेंज किया जा सकता है. प्लस यू हैव गॉट ब्रांच वाइज सेल्स, सेल्समैन वाइज रिपोर्ट है, सिटी वाइज सेल्स है, ब्रांच वाइज एजिंग स्टॉक है, स्टॉक वर्सेस सेल, सप्लायर वाइज एजिंग, category wise aging, sales aging, sales.
Let me tell you, I have worked with more than 15 MNCs who are having their offices in multiple countries. Even they don't have this level of detailed reporting, and they go for, you know, huge softwares like which are very expensive and which are very hard and rigid to implement. So kudos to you that you're able to implement so much from the program.
No, I mean, I see. I used to also look for such software, but after learning Google stuff, मैं इस पे इतना काम करता हूँ. I mean, initially during lockdown, so I used to work till morning 2, 3, 4 on this, and once I started, I just keep on going on and on. So now I have taken the sales of the value, gold का weight से, number of pieces, number of bills, and number of customers served. So we see we have served over 12,500 customers in 1920, then 4,000 last year because of lockdown. Current till date 2,000 customers have been served.
Awesome. जो आपने डिटेलिंग की, it looks really great कि now you are able to analyze what's happening.
Number of cities that customers come to us from.
Sorry?
These are the number of cities हमें कहाँ से कस्टमर हमारे रिटेल स्टोर पर आते हैं. We get customers from across India to our store also. Amazing.
So before Avanish, before joining us, क्या आपने और भी different सॉफ्टवेयर ट्राई किए थे?
हाँ, तो मैंने मेरा ERP तो जो है वो तो है ही हमारा ज्वेलरी का, प्लस मेरा ई-कॉमर्स का अलग टूल है, और मैं काफी सारे टूल्स ट्राई कर चुका हूँ. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर मैंने कितने टूल्स ट्राई किए होंगे, बिकॉज कुछ ना कुछ नया जब भी आता है, कीप अ हैंड ऑन देम.
पर उसका अगर हम कंपैरिजन देखें गूगल डेटा स्टूडियो, गूगल के टूल से, तो क्या
इट्स फिनोमिनल. आई मीन, दिस इज वन थिंग दैट यू कैन वर्क एंड बिल्ड एज पर योर रिक्वायरमेंट, एंड इट्स फिनोमिनल. मैंने ट्रेलो पे काम किया है, मैंने आसना पे काम किया है, मैंने बिगट्रिक्स 24/7 पे काम किया है, मैंने काफी देयर लॉट ऑफ स्टफ दैट आई हैव वर्कड ऑन, बट इट्स फैबुलस टू वर्क ऑन गूगल शीट्स एंड डेटा स्टूडियो. It's been a game changer for me for sure.
Great. So Avanish, what will you say about when you were actually implementing all this? So what kind of support did you get from our side?
I have आपके one of your support member का नंबर मेरे पास, I think शादाब है वो, I don't remember his name. He's been phenomenal. I message him, WhatsApp him anytime, and he next day whenever he responds, and he supports to solve it. So I think support is a very amazing stuff that I have got from you. मुझे ज्यादा जरूरत पड़ी नहीं है, बट मैंने खुद से ही स्टडी करके काफी, बट जितना भी जरूरत पड़ी है, they have been a very fabulous team to support.
Great. और उसका रीजन ये है कि जो एक्शन टेकर्स हैं, पीपल लाइक यू, जो अपनी चीजें बनाने लग जाते हैं, तो जो सपोर्ट टीम भी उसको भी अच्छा लगता है दैट वी आर हेल्पिंग समबडी हु इज ट्राइंग थिंग्स फ्रॉम his or her side as well. So credit, I will say the credit goes to you that you had taken initiative on joining us, and that you have invested your time in learning and implementing all this, and now you're getting the fruit of it, right?
No, I think credit should be given to you for showing us this right path to do it. Varna this was available across us, but I used to always think Google Sheets are not that, it's very boring, Excel is better. But once learning this, I think it's a game changer. So
Avanish, what's the future of you and your company? अगले 5 सालों में आप अपने आप को कहाँ देखते हो?
I always had dreamt to be the best businessman in India for sure, but I do not know how much time I'll take to reach that and what. At the end of the day, the dream is to be known, to make a difference in the industry. That's the entire idea. Money is not the focus, because money तो पैसा बन जाएगा, पैसा तो मेहनत करे तो
Always, money is always the byproduct. It should be the value that you give to the customer.
That's not the key focus for me. The key focus is to create an impact and create a name for myself and the family that have done something different in the industry.
True. Great. So what do you think of this, like in next 5 years, wherever you want to go, if you would have not, got this kind of systems and technology, अगर आप जैसे पहले चल रहे थे रैंडम तरीके से चीजें मैनेज कर रहे हो, क्या सिचुएशन होती है अभी, और आगे फ्यूचर में क्या वो डिफरेंट होता जो अब एक्चुअली डिफरेंट होगा इन टर्म्स ऑफ ग्रोथ, इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिलैक्सेशन एज अ बिजनेस ओनर?
मतलब अगर ये नहीं होता तो हम कुछ ना कुछ खाली ट्राई करते रहते हैं जब तक कुछ सही नहीं मिलता. But obviously this tool has been able to give a right direction for us to work on, and give you a right information of your in the right format, which is already there with you, but not well studied till now. And based on this information, you can work on your future path, I guess. And I'm sure that we are using this optimally to grow to the next level. I'm sure if this had not been there, we would have paid. If इतना इंटरेस्ट होता तो कुछ 10 गुना पे करके मे बी सॉफ्टवेयर खरीदते, जिसका रिजल्ट मे बी इससे 50-60% होता होगा. अभी उस दिशा में सोचा नहीं अभी.
Right. So can you just stop sharing the screen? So Avanish, what is your message to entrepreneurs in India? There are so many retailers in India, so many, right? कोई small level के retailers हैं, किसी की छोटी सी दुकान है, कोई 2 stores हैं, किसी के पास 4 stores हैं, और हर कोई grow करना चाहता है. But बहुत ही कम लोग हैं जो actually लॉन्ग टर्म फोकस करते हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज करते हैं, अपना टाइम बचाते हैं, स्केलेबिलिटी फोकस करते हैं. बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे बिजनेस ओनर्स हैं जो बस डेली बेसिस पे वो काम करते रहते हैं, बट दे डोंट एनालाइज कि उनके जो एफर्ट्स हैं वो रिजल्ट में कन्वर्ट हो रहे हैं या नहीं हो रहे हैं. और टेक्नोलॉजी से कई लोग डरते भी हैं, दे डोंट ट्राई इट. आपने ट्राई किया और आपको इजी लगा, बट कई लोग होते हैं दे डोंट इवन ट्राई, दे डोंट इवन गिव इट अ चांस. तो आपका क्या मैसेज है उन सब एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को हु आर राइट नाउ लिसनिंग टू यू?
See, I've been in e-commerce for almost 15-17 मैंने काफी टॉक्स भी दिए हैं, और मैंने काफी लोगों को मैंने इन्फ्लुएंस करके ई-कॉमर्स पे लेकर भी आया हूं. आई ऑलवेज से कि टेक्नोलॉजी, डिजिटल इज द नेक्स्ट फ्यूचर. वेदर यू आर अ रिटेल स्टोर एनीवेयर, you have to get digital. I mean, when we can change in our function, हम कर रहे तो अपने business को क्यों नहीं change कर रहे हो? And you might fail, but I think that is the way how it is. You should not stop trying. टेक्नोलॉजी से दूर भाग. I mean, हम आज के लिए बिना फोन के रह नहीं सकते. तुम्हारा बिजनेस कैसे रह सकता बिना फोन के और बिना टेक्नोलॉजी के? So we have to update ourselves, keep on updating ourselves. And last 1 year I have taken up so many courses. I guess I should have done about 5 years back, 6 years back after my graduation, I mean post graduation. So वो 6-7 का gap हो गया, but I think पढ़ाई करते रहना चाहिए, लर्न करते रहना चाहिए. एंड टेक्नोलॉजी को जितना ज्यादा अपन अडॉप्ट करोगे उतना आई थिंक फास्टर ग्रोथ मिलेगा. पर ना जो जैसे कर रहा है उसको वैसा ही फल मिलेगा. आई थिंक that's the bottom line of it.
Great. Thank you so much, Avanish, for joining us, and congratulations to you that you are right now part of the Achievers Club. You have achieved a lot from the program, and I'm sure that there is much more that you're going to achieve in next 1 year, next 5 years, and in next 1 decade. And me and my team mates are always going to be there for you as we provide a lifetime support.
Thank you.
And in the live Q&A as well, we'll just keep discussing on what is the next big thing and how can you keep optimizing the processes and how can you take the things to the next level.
100% Kewal.
Thank you so much, Avanish, for giving us your time, and thank you so much for enlightening all the viewers on how a business owner can scale the business when he or she start using the technology. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kewal. Thank you. Thanks a lot.